everyone, me here Rupali Sharma from Suman Tech Solutions. So welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic used editor software in the programming language. So we can use any software in programming language such as Notepad, Notepad++ or Sublime Text. But the Notepad is also inbuilt feature of any laptop or any computer, but Sublime Text is used to download. So now we will tell you about how to download or install the Sublime Text.
So we are going to start our notepad. In notepad, it is a simple processor, like we can type anything here, but there is no lining, no color combination. So it is very difficult to understand what is going on. The tags are also not colored, and it is a very simple way. So now we will go on notepad plus plus and we will download the file. So we can download like 64 bits or any other according to our PC or laptop specifications. So we will go to computer and check out what is our specification. So like my PC specification is 64-bit operating system. So I will download the 64-bit operating system only. Like my window is 7 version. So now I will download the file notepad++ for 7, that is 64 bits. So from here you can download the file. So the file is been downloaded and we will extract this file from here and we'll paste the file here. And now this is notepad++. So we can see there is lining like serial number 1. We will type some things. Now serial number 2, as 3 also, and so on. Like it is showing the linings. It is very useful. In notepad there is no lining, no color combination and no tag colors. So it is very difficult to find what we are going to write and it is correct or not. Like we are writing the coding of HTML. It is not showing any combination and not showing any error also. Whereas in Notepad++, we write HTML with codes and tags. Like it is defined as a predefined tag, that is HTML. Now we will save the file with the extension HTML, that is editor.html. Now you can see the color combinations which shows that the file is correct and going in a right situation. And we will also save our node file with the extension .html. Now the next tag is PHP. You can see the color combination here also. But when we write PHP in Notepad, there is no color combination and no error combinations. So this is the difference between these two files. Now we will talk about Sublime Text. How to download the Sublime Text and how to work on that. Here also we will define the 64 bits, that is our operating system. So we will download the file from here. And now these are the versions that we have to download. That is a portable version. Like our window is 64-bit. So the file has been downloaded and we will open it. So now we are going to work on Sublime Text. So we will write our tags here. We will save the file first because without saving it would not define any changes in this file. Like we will save this file as a editor2.html, that is the extension of HTML file. So you can see the color combination, the linings and the tags. So the code is pre-planned. Like we will write the code again, tag HTML, and we will enter. This code will be generated automatically. So we don't have to write the codes again and again. Like we will draw a suitable title. About using Ctrl++, we can maximize the size of our screen. So here is a lining, like we can write 8 here, so the 8th line will be highlighted. That is used for finding a line. So after that, we can hide our menu and many more options are there. Replace also we can do here, like in any tag we don't need add, we can replace add into another thing. And as like color themes is also available, you can manage your color preference according to your type. Like you can see there are many color preferences, you can choose any of them. So see how amazing it is working right now. The tags are of different colors. And through this we have worked on HTML in.
Thanks for watching our session. Now we will meet in our next session with a new idea. Thank you.